Remove the 2 screws securing the electric control assembly. Unscrew the ground wire terminal. Snip 4 wires using wire cutters. Strip 1/4 inch insulation from each wire tip. Connect the 4 wires of the motor with the 4 wires of the electrical control assembly in the same color. Pull out the 4 wires at the motor end and tie them at the root position with a cable zip tie. Caution: avoid causing the wires to retract into the motor due to vibration during the operation of the machine, which may result in a short circuit. Reattach and tighten ground wire screw. Place the wires in the appropriate position to avoid squeezing other components. Fasten both electric control assembly screws completely.